You got the answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm just doubtful about the first one. Rest all first one and second one. Rest all I completed.
Okay. Rest all for the third, fifth, and sixth, right? Did you directly write the formula or you derived it?
I directly wrote the formula.
No, that's not. I didn't give you for that reason, no. I didn't give for that reason. So listen, for the first one, for the first one, y is equal to x power 5 sin x, no. So dy by dx will be equal to, why is it not writing at this point? Okay. So it is x power 5 sin x, no. First function into derivative of second function, that is cos x, plus second function into derivative of first function, which is going to be 5x power 4. Right. So this is answer. So answer is supposed to be, you can write it like this also. X power 4, I'll take it common. I'll write x cos x plus 5 sin x. This is another way of writing. Okay, this is one way. Second, y is equal to x square divided by cos x. So dy by dx will be denominator cos x into derivative of x square, that is 2x, minus x square into derivative of cos x, which is minus sin x, the whole divided by cos square x. Right. So I hope this is clear. Right.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I forgot the product equation.
That's what I told you. So y is equal to tan x is there, no? So y will be equal to, can I write it as sin x divided by cos x? So dy by dx will be equal to cos x into derivative of sin x is cos x minus sin x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, the whole divided by cos square x. This is minus of minuses, the whole divided by, answer will be 1 divided by cos square x. Answer will be, that's it. It is secant square x. Right, now you understood why you got that value.
Yes, sir. We need to take tan x as sin x by cos x. Then we use quotient rule to derive
Exactly. Exactly. So this is the quotient rule. Right. What about the next question? So the next one is y is equal to 2x cube into tan x. Now you can use, since you know the formula, now here you can use secant square x. So dy by dx is equal to, 2 is a constant, I will not disturb it. X cube into derivative of tan x is secant square x plus tan x into derivative of x cube is 3x square. So answer is going to be, if I take the x square outside, 2x square into x secant square x plus 3 tan x. That's it. That's fine. See, I'm not saying this is how you need to write. Without bracket, you write also, it is correct. Okay. So the fifth one. What is the fifth one? So y is equal to cosecant x, right? See, cosecant x you can write it as 1 divided by sin x. So dy by dx will be equal to sin x into derivative of 1, which is a 0 because it's a constant, minus 1 into derivative of sin x is going to be cos x, the whole divided by sine square x. This value is 0. So it is going to be minus cos x divided by sine square x, which I'll write it as sin x into 1 divided by sin x. So cos x by sin x is minus cot x, 1 by sin x is cosecant x. So you would have learned this as minus cosecant x cot x. This is the reason why you got it. Clear? Are you clear with this? Yeah. So next one. So sixth one is y is equal to secant x. So y is equal to, can I write it as 1 divided by cos x? So dy by dx will be cos x into derivative of 1 is 0 minus 1 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, the whole divided by cos square x. So this value is going to be a 0. Minus of minus is plus. So I'll get sin x divided by cos square x. So you can write as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. So sin x divided by cos x into 1 divided by cos x. So 1 by cos x is secant x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. So secant x into tan x is what is going to be the answer. Am I clear with this? Right. So now you know how to differentiate the values, right, or differentiate the given functions.